All right, here's a pretty functional rough draft of how a prompt builder might work and how it might leverage a library of pre-submitted things to kind of make it easier for people to write prompts. So we've got four elements really here: the AI role or persona, the audience, the task, and details about the task. The association between task and detail is a little fuzzy to me, but in any case, let's take a look here. So one, we could just say, the AI is blah, 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 whatever. We could do our own stuff. But we could also look here. So right now, it's just kind of like you just start typing and a bunch of them come up. But essentially, these are just roles that I had the AI create, but it could also be referencing submitted library roles. And if those things had categories, we could also tweak things so it would work off of that. But we just say we want to use that one, and it starts to build our total prompt over here. So we'll just do something similar here. We'll look for mature, oops, except I'll spell it right. There we go, adult learners, task, something about translation maybe. This is what I mean. Like the details of translation would be specific, but I'll just throw one in there. So in this way, we have the ability to kind of freely write, and we can also tweak it. So all those things kind of go together. And then I think we would have the ability to submit it certainly to our prompt library, copy it to a clipboard, but I'm hoping that I can figure out with the API a way to kind of pass it in, that if you have a free or whatever account with ChatGPT or a couple other ones, we might have a way to kind of pass it in. But that's kind of next steps. But hopefully this is kind of getting us there. Likely I'll kind of color it so that the role, audience, blah, blah, blah matches so that the connection between the things is a little more apparent. And there'll be some more context kind of guiding people, as well as kind of popping them up maybe to some additional information when they start to build this sort of thing.